Matuang Pisamban, hot air balloon, Pampanga's Eye and other iconic symbols of culture and tourism of Pampanga. Ito ang inilunsad na disenyo ng bago at ika-100 branch ng Wendy's sa bansa na binuksan sa Friendship Highway, Angeles City. Yes, you heard it right. Very historical ito for Wendy's Philippines and they share it to the Kapampangans. Ito ay kalimang branch nila sa Pampanga. Mismong si 888 Holdings Incorporated President CEO Joey Garcia ang nanguna sa grand opening nito kung saan dumalo rin si Chris Conway, ang Senior Vice President ng Wendy's International, Walter Mariner, ang General Manager ng Wendy's Philippines, at ang kanilang brand ambassadress na si Caprice Cayetano, ang Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition Grand Winner. Take note, President Joey Garcia is a Kapampangan, kaya naman alam niya kung gaano ka-particular ang mga Kapampangan sa pagkain, kaya confident siya sa offerings ng Wendy's.
Because I am Kapampangan, I know how to cook, I know what's real good food. We are the only fast food that somehow serve fresh ingredients. If you actually look at whatever we have in our menu, we actually prepare them here. We don't actually do a lot of those shortcuts kasi Wendy's doesn't cut corners.
Wendy's is not a typical fast food. Ito ang kanilang ipinagmamalaki dahil dito wala umanong shortcut ang proseso ng pagluluto.
I wouldn't say fast food restaurant, quality fast food restaurant. When you're scaling restaurants, it's very easy to get into a mindset of, okay, what is the easiest way to scale my restaurant? So you might open commissaries, you might buy your tomatoes cut, you might get your lettuce cut, it may come from somewhere else. You may use frozen chicken. What we mean by that is we are very committed that our food is fresh, quality is our recipe, and we will not cut corners around that because ultimately we want you to enjoy great food served by great people in a good environment.
Everything is real and fresh, from chicken, fries, drink, veggies, and their frosty.
Ang french fries po namin, skin on. Kasama po yung balat. Our tenders, it's breast of chicken. No? Tapos yung aming beef patty, no extenders. No? 100% real and pure beef. Wala po kaming added na mga what do you call this, binders. Ano ba bind lang sa kanya sa ground beef is the fat of the beef. Yun. And the icy also, no? I'm proud to say na hindi siya galing sa powder concentrate. It's brewed tea, calamansi. Yan lang. Even our frosty, it's real dairy. Actually, hindi siya talaga ice cream. It's a triple thick chocolate shake that you can eat with a spoon.
This is not only a ceremony of opening the 100th store, dahil ito na rin ang launching ng bagong mukha ng Wendy's. If you look at it, from red, mas nangibabaw ngayon ang blue color plus the LED ceiling.
Getting a bit more challenging, challenging the typical color of fast food, which is red. We believe blue is fresh, and as I think as mentioned earlier, we even have Caprice to represent the brand in a more fresher look also. So to match whatever we're trying to bring, upgrading what we have, not only outside, even inside.
Wendy's Philippines has localized its menu to fit Filipino tastes. Kaya aside sa American-style menu, meron din dito ang rice meals, spaghetti and salad, and of course, ang kanilang group meals, ang Wata Box and Fam Box. Ako po ang inyong Aching Malagu, Jana Lumbang Parungaw, para sa Balitang Balita.